What's going on, guys? Nick back again with another video, and today I'm going to be showing you guys 4 tips on how to improve and get better at your pull-ups. So this will apply whether you're a complete beginner learning how to do a pull-up, or even if you're advanced and you want to increase how many pull-ups you could do or increase how much weight you can do for a weighted pull-up. All 4 of these tips definitely help me improve my pull-ups and improve my overall pulling game as a whole. So without further ado, let me show you these 4 key tips to increase your pulling strength. All right, so tip number 1, think about pulling the bar down to the top of your chest like a lat pull down. Don't think so much about pulling your body up, right? When I'm doing this, I'm thinking pull that bar down, right? Pulling the bar down, right? Naturally, my body goes up and completes the pull-up. Now, you can do this whether you're doing progressions with a band or even if you're doing jumping pull-ups. Still want to think pull that bar down. That'll definitely help you get more explosive. All right, so tip number 2 is going to be gripping the bar. First of all, you kind of want to have a false grip, right? So you're going to put your wrist on the bar, then grip the bar, right? You want the bar to be in your palm, not so much your fingers, right? Think about it logically. If I hang from the bar, I'm only holding on by my fingers, it's not going to take very long for me to slip and fall off the bar. However, if I start all the way in my palm, there's a longer range of motion before I slip through my fingers, right? So you want to get a very good grip on the bar, and think about squeezing the bar very tight, right? If I have a very good grip on the bar, that'll allow me to activate my forearm muscles. That will help me get those last few reps. So as you can see, if I squeeze my hand, I activate the forearm muscles. They're all connected to your hand. So if you're able to have a very tight grip, you'll activate those forearm muscles and it'll help you get those extra reps of pull-ups. Tip number 3 is gonna be stop goosenecking. What do I mean by that? You're reaching your chin up over that bar and counting it as a rep. You wanna think about pulling to your chest. So you wanna be very explosive in your pull-ups, and you don't wanna just pull where your chin meets the bar. You wanna think about pulling the bar down to the top of your chest and get your chest to that bar. When you start doing that, you'll activate your lats more and you get a lot stronger at the top of the rep. And that will allow you to get better at more advanced things like muscle ups, weighted pull-ups, and more. So instead of doing this, you want to do this. Right? When you get that bar to the top of your chest, even if you're doing banded or even if you're doing negatives, it's going to help you activate your lats that much more. And that 4th and final tip is going to be driving through your elbows. So yes, you do want to squeeze your hands and have a very good grip on the bar, but you also want to think about driving your elbows down and back, right? If you're pulling through your elbows, you're going to get that chest to the bar and you're going to activate those lats that much more. Let me show you what I mean. So when most people do pull-ups, they do this, right? However, when you drive through your elbows, watch how my elbows drive down and back, right? If you're thinking drive through your elbows, you will get that much more explosive, and it'll be the difference between you getting your chin above the bar and your chest to the bar. All right, so just to recap and review on this video, you want to grab the bar with a very good grip, preferably a false grip so that the bar is in the middle of your hand. Having that good grip, I want you to think about pulling the bar down to the top of your chest, not just getting your chin over, but the top of your chest, and drive through your elbows as you're doing so. So if you do those 4 things, I promise doing pull-ups will be much, much easier, and it'll help increase your pull-up game as a whole. So give this a shot whether you're a beginner and still doing progressions. Even on the negatives, you can drive your elbows through and practice this at the top of the rep along with banded work. Or if you're more advanced and you're very good at pull-ups, you can still use some of these techniques to help you increase your pull-up game like myself. So if you like this video and you got something out of it, please like and subscribe. It means a lot. Check me out on all other social media platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook at core_calisthenics. Also check out my website, corecalisthenics.com. There's every single workout I know in there and me explain the right way to perform it under 1 to 2 minutes. And stay tuned for my videos every single Saturday at 12 p.m. noon Eastern time. I'll see you guys in the next video.